What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I start with the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you will get notified. So on today's video we are going to analyze. So I'm not always going to analyze when time goes on. I'm going to drop a different content, but for now guys, I'll keep on dropping my analysis every weekend. So yeah, let's dive into it. So we are going to look at the XY. Firstly, we are going to analyze the XY. So on the XY we are on a daily time frame. So yeah, you know how I do my things, the basics. You mark your lowest low and I mark my highest high of the structure, and previously guys, we were having something like this. We were having this type of a structure. So I'm just going to try and fix it. So, and again, this was our, and looking at our structure, we can say, okay, this was our 90% rule of the structure. So let's go straight to 4 hours. So on 4 hour time frame, let's see what's up, or let's see what can we find. And remember, you don't have to like force anything when you draw your trend lines. You have to keep it simple. The simpler your chart looks, the more not confused you are going to be. So okay, so on the 4 hour we are having our structure, which is this one. So looking at our structure, you can see like, okay, we're having a first touch, then our second touch. So probably waiting for the market to push to the downside and give us a third touch before going to the upside. So let me go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, no, sorry about that. 1 hour. So this is 1 hour time frame. So for me, I'll be patient or wait for the market to at least like push until it reaches this 90% rule or break below it and give me a third touch before shooting to the upside. So this is my DXY. So let's move guys to another pair. Don't forget to like guys and subscribe and comment, and yeah, you know how we do. So let's choose another pair. So I'm going to analyze US oil, the daily time frame. So you know how we do guys. You mark, first thing first, you have to know like the basics. You mark your lowest low. Our lowest low currently is this one, and our highest high is this one. So I'll go straight to 4 hour. So on 4 hour we are having our important level, which is this one, and we can say like the market gave us an impulse, and this is a correction. So let's see what do we find here. And remember guys, when you draw your trend lines, like you don't have to force anything. And what you have to know, like not every time the market will always give us a third touch. You get it? So if you don't get a third touch, you know, like you are going to have a double bottom or double top. That's what you have to always know. Okay, so looking at our US oil, you can see like we're having a first touch, then a second touch. So the market didn't actually give us a touch here. So probably waiting for the market to to reach our third touch and important level. So this is going to be a strong sell around this level, and this is going to be our 90% rule of our structure. So we are going to look for sell opportunities when trading US oil, and again, you have to be patient. And when the market is on your third touch, you don't just enter on a third touch. You don't just have to enter on a third touch. What you have to do, just wait for the market to give you a push, and you take the first correction to the downside. So it doesn't have to, you don't have to always take the trade on a third touch or whatsoever, because what might happen, if you know the rule of three, the market might break above your trend line and you keep asking yourself what's happening, the strategy is not working or whatsoever, and after you see the market push to the downside. So you have to know the rule of three. So if you don't know the rule of three, you can check on my videos, scroll through my playlist, you'll see what's the rule of three. So on this one, I don't really need to go to the lower time frame. So I just have to wait for the market to reach, I have to be patient and let the market do whatever and reach here. Then I'll start looking forward for sell opportunities. So this is our US oil. So I'm going to analyze another pair, which is US30. So I'll start firstly going on a daily time frame. So let me just remove this. Sorry about this. So on a daily time frame, the basics, you mark your lowest low, and you mark your highest high of the structure. So and let's see the important level. It's this one, and also this one, So let's go to 4 hour. Before I go to 4 hour, we are having this structure. So remember guys, what you have to know again is indices, they move slightly different from currency pairs. Not every time the indices will go alongside with the currency pairs. You get it? So looking at this, we can clearly see this was our first touch. Let me just change the color to read. Sorry, our first touch, second touch, which is this one, and probably somewhere around here we are waiting for the market to give us a third touch. So let's go straight to 4 hour. And see what's happening. So on 4 hour, we are having this type of a structure. So we are still in an up. We are still looking forward for buys on US30, because I won't say the market is still, we are on a downtrend or whatsoever. Now we're still in an uptrend and we are still looking for buy opportunities. So let me go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, so looking straight on 1 hour, we are having this type of a structure. So basically what might happen is the market might push up and break our trend line and test our high, and after break below it, give us a correction and start looking forward for sell opportunities. So for me, next week I know like I'm going to look for buy opportunities on USDT, because you can see you're having a first touch, then a second touch. So probably let me go to 1 hour. Yeah, I'm on 1 hour. So probably we are going to have a structure inside a structure, pattern inside the pattern, however you know it. So pattern inside a pattern or structure inside a structure, so however you know it. So clearly we don't have to take our trade above this trend line or say like it's going to retest or whatsoever. Mostly important, what you have to do, we have to wait for the market to give us a correction. Then after, like we are going to take the correction somewhere around here. Just wait for the market to push up with an impulse, give you a correction, like you are going to take you are going to trade whatever the correction that you are going to find there. So let's go to another pair. So yeah, let's go to another pair, guys. The daily time frame. So let's look at the one and only US100, aka NASDAQ. So we are on a daily time frame. Sorry about that. We are on a daily time frame. You mark your highest high and our lowest low, which is this one, an important key level, which is this one, and this one also, and this one also. So let's go straight to 4 hour. So I don't know what's up with my network. What's up? So I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know what's up with my network. So like, let's see if try to type it again. Yeah, everything is okay. So I don't know what's up. So 4 hour. So on 4 hour, sorry guys. So on 4 hour, let's see what we find on 4 hour. And remember, guys, when you draw your trend lines, you don't have to force anything. You don't have to force anything. So I don't know what's up. Just waiting for the chart to load. Probably it's my network. So yeah. Sorry about that. So probably looking at NASDAQ, we are having these touches and we are having this structure. And remember, when you trade in NASDAQ, you can trade NASDAQ in so many ways, in different ways. And also we were having a structure inside a structure. So our structure was this one. Our structure was this one. So trading NASDAQ, like I'll suggest for you to wait for the market to push above and start pushing down, giving us a correction. Then we're going to take the first correction. So probably what might happen is the market might reject here and give us the market might reject here and give us a double top and give us a double top before going to the downside. Give us a double top before pushing to the downside, or the market might push up and reach our trend line and give us a third touch before going to the downside. So like before going to the downside. And when it happens that the market reaches our third touch, what you have to do, wait for the market to give you a push, and after a push, like you take the first correction using a risk entry. Yes, using a risk entry. So yeah guys, let me go to another pair. So remember, if none of this happens, it's okay, we move to the next pair. Just because I'm doing the analysis, it doesn't mean like every pair is going to be alright or whatsoever. This is a game of probabilities and anything can happen, so like we don't have to be attached to anything. So I'm going to analyze AUD CAD on a daily time frame. And guys, like keep doing whatever that they're doing, like mark your lowest low. Oh, this is our highest high, so this is our lowest low. And looking at this, we can clearly see like, okay, we are having our channel. We're having our channel, which is this one. So this is our 90% rule. So when we zoom it out, we're having an important key level, which is this one. So let's go straight to 4 hour. So going straight to 4 hour. And guys, what you have to know, like not every reversal pattern is a reversal pattern. Not every reversal pattern is a reversal pattern, because some they might tend to run in channels. So looking at 4 hour, we are having our structure, which is this one, and we were having like pattern inside a pattern or structure inside a structure, whatever you call it, it is okay. So what do we have to do? Wait for the market to push to the downside and give us a third touch and shoot to the upside. So the market might reject on our third touch, or the market might come and test our important level, broke below, and give us a correction. Then you start looking forward for sell opportunities to the downside. So for this pair, I'll suggest you guys like to wait for the market to go down and give us a third touch. Then we know like we are going to start looking forward for buy opportunities. Start looking for buy opportunities until here. So like this is a 4 hour. So obviously when we go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, the structure is going to be much bigger. So yeah guys, done with the video. So like don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a video you will get notified. So this is me saying like shout out to everyone who keep on watching my videos and everything. And yeah, we are on our road to 1K subscribers. So like tell a friend to tell their friend to tell their friend to subscribe. So like it's your boy, the one and only, the Forex Trader Zakelazy, and I'm out now, and thank you for watching my video. Yes sir.